Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today I want to review the 2018 Day Ruck by the Hidden Woodsmen. So stick around. For those of you that know me and watch my videos, you should be well aware by now that I'm a fan of the Hidden Woodsman. I enjoy his products that he makes, and whenever I get a chance I try to show his packs or gear throughout my videos. I believe in what he does, and he seems like an all-around good person that wants to promote good business and quality products to everyone. The gear's all made in the USA, and again, I enjoy what he does. But what I like the most is watching the evolution of that gear. Where did he start, and where do we end up? So today's video is not really going to be a review. Now I'm going to review it by going over what it has, but there's already been several reviews done on this on larger channels. Take Dave Canterbury for example. He actually shows how big the pack is and what it can carry. So if you haven't checked that out, go check that one out. But for me, I happen to be a proud owner, or actually my son, you know him as Little Dude, he's a proud owner of the 2015 Day Ruck. So I thought, why not go in a different direction and show you the differences between the original product and what we have today. Let's get started. The 2018 Day Ruck by the Hidden Woodsman will hold approximately 25 liters. It measures approximately 17 by 9.5 by 7. It's sewn together using rot-proof thread and constructed of 500 denier nylon on the exterior and 400 denier nylon on the interior. And now for the 2015 model. It's also constructed for 500D or 500 denier nylon. However, it only holds between 18 and 20 liters. It's almost just as wide. However, when you look at the overall length, we're a couple inches shorter. On each side, you get 4 rows of MOLLE webbing. The 2015 model featured 3 rows of MOLLE webbing and reinforced nylon here that could be used as an axe sleeve. The 2018 model gives you MOLLE webbing on top as well as the bottom. This allows you to choose where you want to secure your bedroll or sleep system. It also features a reinforced carrying handle. And there's your bottom view right there. Older model, no nylon whatsoever, and it featured an unreinforced carrying handle. And on the bottom you got 1 wide row of nylon here as your anchor point for any type of bedroll or sleep system. On the back side of the 2018 model, we got a lot of improvements here. And I like these features the best because for me, bottom line is no matter where I carry gear or how much gear that I carry, if I'm not comfortable carrying it, it's going to be a nightmare. And I don't even want to go down that road. So what he's done is he has 2 pieces of nylon webbing here at the top, and they're reinforced. And they're about 2 inches in length, and what that does is it actually separates the shoulder strap from the pack, kind of like on an Alice pack. On the back of the pack itself, sewn inside the pack, we have a foam pad followed by some air mesh, which will give you extra comfort and also keep your back cool. He's done the same thing here on the shoulder straps. The 2015 model. You get the same type of nylon up here that separates the shoulder pads from the pack. However, it's not reinforced. There's also no air mesh on the pads or the back. You only get a foam mat that's sewn inside the pack here. Now, the last thing I want to talk about briefly on the exterior is the axe sleeve itself. I'm going to open it up. What he's done right here, and I showed you this before, on the previous model, we've had a reinforced nylon webbing right here on the side. So all he did was take that piece and he sewed it in right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. And it's wide enough to where it accommodates an 18-inch axe like this council tool perfectly. And when we go ahead and open this up, we're greeted by two large panels right here that are secured by a nylon strap and plastic buckle. Now, not only do these help secure your gear, but they also, in my opinion, will add an extra layer of weatherproofing. Now, just like Doctor Who's TARDIS, it's bigger on the inside. Check this out. We'll start with this pocket right here. It runs the full width of the pack itself and runs all the way to the bottom. And in my opinion, it should hold a water bladder perfectly. Now for your side pockets. Looking at this is kind of deceiving. They don't run all the way to the bottom. They float about 2 or 3 inches from the bottom. However, I've got a 40-ounce bottle right here. You see all that extra room. I don't see why you couldn't put a 64-ounce bottle inside there. But for me, the pocket's a perfect size. Hold a standard MRE. Now, those of you that are familiar with field stripping your MREs, imagine pulling out the main course and side dishes. You could probably put 3 here, 3 here, and roll out with 6 meals. And the last feature I want to show you, you have a mesh zippered pocket right here that should secure all of your loose belongings. 2015 model. It also features 2 flaps right here, secured by Velcro, and 1 large pocket on the inside. Welcome back. In my opinion, this is outstanding. Now, there's one thing I didn't talk about, and that's price. And the reason why I didn't talk about it is because it kind of depends on the options or accessories that you choose. For example, you might want a large Velcro panel right here to accommodate patches. There's also different colors. One added accessory is this 1-inch by 20-inch nylon bedroll straps that can be used at your attachment points at the top or the bottom. So I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description box to his website. Feel free to check it out. As usual, thank you for your comments, views, support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.